What this is about is just to give you an idea of some things you can do different on vacation so that you feel good going into it and coming home. I used to vacation and I would have vacation constipation, I would have insomnia, stomach pains, because I ate like a train wreck. And it doesn't have to be that way. That's just kind of what I'm showing you, that you can vacation, have a wonderful time, and a little bit of indulging without derailing. You come home feeling good, not feeling like you need to go back on a diet.
Oh, hate that feeling.
It's horrible, but we also work out while we're on vacation. We don't take a vacation from working out because why would you? You feel good.
Well, listen, she gets the pickleball bug like I have. I work out every day, and now at night I'm playing pickleball. So I'm very active.
I love it. I could be editing for hours. You got to take breaks, and you have to get up. And so to be able to put that on your schedule where you are moving one more time at the end of the night, game changer. Like, this is how we do it. I'm 54 years old. I don't have night sweats. I don't have hot flashes. I don't have those crazy things that people have. I'm so thankful for that. But nutrients definitely plays a role, and so does movement. Don't take a vacation from the things that help make you feel your best.
We're going to have a great week of delicious and nutritious foods, exercise, fun.
We'll be sharing it with you.
We do have to work.
Sharing it all with you. Breakfast day 3. I just really felt like we needed some eggs, and this just doesn't take long and it's easy cleanup. I brought the muffins with me, so those are already done. So easy when you're traveling in a car. I've brought fresh milled flour products with me in my suitcase before on a plane. When you're ready to eat healthy, there's just no excuse. You can do it anywhere. You don't have to have an oven. Easy 10-minute breakfast. Love this pan, by the way. This is a green pan, no stick, without the toxins from the traditional non-stick, and this is in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I'm using up what Zach has that would go bad if we didn't use it. So I started cutting up this orange and got a surprise. I don't think I've eaten one like this before. We'll see if Renee has. Making sure we're getting plenty of healthy protein. I see so many people trying to get all their protein in, but they're not getting clean protein, and guess what? Causing gut dysfunction. I warmed up the muffins, and yum. This is how we do it. Lottie-dottie, we like to party. We don't cause trouble, and we don't bother nobody. Lottie-dottie. So we finally made it to the beach, and lo and behold, we see a dead jellyfish. Isn't that so cool? We also did a beach run for our workout today, which is my favorite way to work out, with a great scenery. And Zach had us covered with this cute little portable shower for those places that don't have a way for you to shower off the sand. We just filled it with warm water, and when we were done, made such a big difference to be able to get into the car without the sand. Thanks, Zach. We just picked up our bowls from my favorite juice place in Florida, bar none. A couple of things that they have going for them. Their bathrooms had the really nice loft, and they have
good toilet paper.
They have paper towels in the bathroom. Super cute. Wasn't too cold, but we want to be in the sun, so we're gonna go sit somewhere else and have some coffee. Again, later than I should, but it's not 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna tell myself I can't. Mine was way too expensive. What, $15.99 or
yeah, because
$15.04
because you got almond butter.
$3 for almond drizzle.
Also, I'd like to point out that it's not drizzled, so I'd want my money back. It's clumped in a drizzle is.
That's the downside.
That's the only thing. But it is hard to drizzle almond butter unless they
put
somehow
it in the drizzler in the
yeah,
thing.
But then it has to be not as. They do something to make it not as thick.
Trader Joe's. Just get it from Trader Joe's.
Yeah, Trader Joe's raw
is the best.
Almond butter, best, hands down. Also, for those of you who are pinching your pennies, which we all should be, cheapest. Cheapest raw almond butter around. And I check prices everywhere I go, always trying to see if, somebody can beat it. They don't.
I love TJ's. For dinner, Renee made us this amazing dish that is Cuban called picadillo. She cut up a green pepper and an onion, sauteed in olive oil. We didn't have the proper seasonings, but we did notice that taco seasoning sufficed. So sauteed the ground beef, added the taco seasonings, some oregano. Don't forget to drain the meat. 1 can of tomato sauce. Add green olives and a little bit of juice. Stir until well combined. This night we had it with brown rice and a side salad. And then we had leftovers. We'll get to that later.